So this is just a recap for live stream at 186. As we can see here, we've had a pretty good day. Today we came into the market a bit later due to scheduling. Pretty much my job meant I couldn't have been at the market around the open. Around the open, as we saw something similar to what happened yesterday, had a sell-off coming into the US session. But unlike yesterday, we didn't have the consolidation out the open. Had a brief pullback, a bit of consolidation here, but had a breakdown continuation of the selling that we saw pre-market. Prices came down, found a low, pulled back, put in a higher low, and I think I got into the market as prices was rallying here to the upside. So we're looking at ES. We'll also look at NQ. So prices rallied to the upside, didn't quite get to the 200. Got to 200 on the NQ, but didn't quite get there on ES. Now on ES, I suppose I could do my trades in chronological order. Yeah, let's do that. No, let's just finish where we are. So on ES, we had a short trade. I wasn't sure about the trade. And the reason I wasn't sure about the trade was because we saw this move down. We saw the move down. NQ has a similar chart. Had this moved down, pulled back, it would appear to be a higher low. I was concerned about taking a short because I was concerned that this could be another higher low, a third higher low. We have a bit of a reversal like we saw yesterday. Over on the daily chart, we can see what the reversal looked like. So if we have a look at the daily chart here, we saw prices sell off into that red line. This red line here is the 50 period on the daily chart. We saw prices go all the way down there, pulled back all the way. It was bought all the way back up positive, all the way, and closed quite strong on the day. So I was a little bit concerned about taking a short with that in mind, considering the fact that I was also at the charts after about 11 a.m. So I decided to take the trade because it did set up, and to my prices actually just continued to the downside pretty strongly. Hit my target, picked up 23,750 on the middle right hand pane here. You can see the realized P&L, and that's without that's after commission. So this is the gross and this is after commission. So we picked up 23,141 there. The first trade we took on the day was gold. We wanted to take a long gold trade through here, and what happened was by the time we got our charts loaded, we missed it. And on this occasion, price came within one tick of triggering the order to go long. Didn't quite get there. A little bit to my frustration, and continued to the upside. After that, I got a long setup. Pretty textbook, hit target, had a pretty decent risk on it. Prices continued to the upside. Did I feel FOMO? No, because I definitely was following the plan and the plan was working. So especially over the past couple of days, I'm not really feeling FOMO because the trades have been working. If it goes through a drawdown, it would be interesting to see how I react in that regard. So we've had a gold trade, picked up 6 after commissions. We're looking at 5,244. You can see that here. We'll then have a look at our NQ, which is responsible for most of the overall P&L on the day. We can see had a short similar time to the ES. Both instruments have been trading pretty much in step with one another. Took the short again, had my concerns due to the fact that if we look at the broader time frame of the chart, we can see here coming into the US session, this pretty strong sell-off, similar to what we saw yesterday with NQ. Was a bit concerned again of having a reversal. Looking at a 354 point sell-off there. So that is a huge sell-off coming into the, the market opened here. So it wasn't quite 354 points. So we're looking at, let's see, all the way up there. It wasn't, that's interesting. So the market was pretty small in terms of the range before the open. It's only about, from these highs, only about 100 or so points. But after the open and this sell-off, we can see we got down from those highs, 154 points. Maybe looking at about 300 points off the open or so. But a pretty big sell-off. I wasn't at the charts to take advantage of any of it. Certainly was not. So came into the market, similar scenario to what happened on ES. Concerned about having the lows, a higher low. Price came up. Unlike ES, that didn't get up to 200, which is this black line. On the NQ, we got to the 200, failed there, pulled back, got a short setup. fairly high in terms of risk and the take profits there. So picked up 45,250 before commissions. After commissions, looking at 44,731. So it's just a one trade there on NQ. Same trade there on ES because both set up simultaneously. And before that, we had a gold trade. So only 3 trades today. Really good P&L. Happy with it. I was only trading for about 28 to 29 minutes. So very short day, but a very positive day. I'll have a look here at the trade performance and we'll just wrap up the video. The thing about the trade performance is we only had positive trades. So there isn't really much we can read into the data as such, because as we can see, very smooth P&L. This is equity curve here, cumulative net profit. That's the sort of thing I'm definitely looking to see. As we can see, green across the, well, positive across the board. There's no red. If we look at the summary page, we can see those total gains, no losses, commissions pretty low. 99 profit factor, didn't have any losing trades. 100% accuracy, again, didn't have any losing trades. Average trade being that amount, likely how the contracts are executed. Largest win being this small. Again, likely a product of how the contracts are executed. Average time in the market, 5 minutes. Again, if I could have this, this is a perfect day of trading. Of course, it's not realistic to expect every day to be like this, to have a 100% accuracy and all trades hit target. But it certainly feels good when the system works and the results are definitely what you'd like from your trading. But that pretty much covers everything. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Good luck trading and have a great day.